FDA is starting to take prescription fluoride drops and tablets for kids off the market. Fluoride supplements are typically prescribed to children at high risk of dental cavities and tooth decay or who live in areas where their drinking water does not contain the mineral. The move by U.S. regulators comes as Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. fights to remove fluoride from all public drinking water. CBS News medical contributor Dr. Celine Gounder joins us now. She's also a senior fellow and editor-at-large for public health at KFF Health News. So, Dr. Gounder, why is the FDA considering this?
So when this was announced yesterday by Dr. Marty Makary, the new commissioner for the FDA, he cited concerns about potential impacts on the gut microbiome. So those are the bacteria that are in your gut that you can think of as really coexisting with your body and helping you with various different bodily functions. And he cited some concerns about impacts on the microbiome. However, it's important to note that there is no data to support that at the levels that we use fluoride in the drinking water or with toothpaste, mouthwash, et cetera, that this would be harmful to the microbiome or have any of the other harmful effects that we've heard about associated with fluoride.
So some cities and counties are already moving to ban fluoride from the public drinking water. Utah is the first state to do so. It took effect last week. What does the research show? I mean, do the benefits outweigh any potential risks?
Yeah, and it's not just Utah. So Florida is considering a ban, as is Tennessee and Louisiana. So this is something that we are seeing in a number of places across the country. If we look at the levels of fluoride that are added to drinking water and what the CDC has been recommending up until now, Secretary Kennedy has asked that those guidelines, those recommendations be withdrawn. But those recommendations until now were up to a level of 0.7 milligrams per liter of fluoride. That is much lower than the several-fold higher levels that we see in countries naturally, like Ethiopia or China. And that is where we have seen impacts on IQ, thyroid, bones, any number of impacts. But we don't have those kinds of levels when we're adding fluoride to the water here in the U.S.
I have to be quick with you, but if it's no longer available, what should parents do? What should people do?
Well, for now, you have fluoridated mouthwash, toothpaste, what the dentists supply in the office. But you also have a lawsuit. Texas is suing Colgate and Procter & Gamble about their kid-friendly fluoridated toothpaste.
Okay, Dr. Celine Gounder.